If I were to divide my career into three phases, the first being as a full-time physician and oncologist, the second as a scientist, and the third being Lucence, ultimately recognizing this towards the same goal.
Dr. Tan Min Han has taken biotech startup Lucence from strength to strength. Today, they're the first and only Asian-headquartered company for cancer testing to achieve Medicare coverage in the US. So how has a diverse and varied career in healthcare shaped his experience? Let's find out.
The experience as a physician allows for an understanding of what that human connection means. That's very helpful as we take things into a company, because we are always seeking to diagnose problems and we are trying to align people. Scientists are definitely very well positioned for the startup world in terms of their product. There is going to be understanding of the financial side of things that's going to be necessary. It depends on great technology and great validation. In our case, this was really a very special way to next generation sequencing called mirror barcodes. The mirror barcodes enabled us to do liquid biopsies or blood testing in a very, very accurate and very sensitive way. It was important to show what world-class evidence looks like, and that came from a head-to-head study that was prospective, multi-center, international, conducted in both the United States and Singapore, and this study was called LiQuick-01, and it compared the performance of Liquid Hallmark, our late-stage cancer test, relative to an FDA-approved liquid biopsy test. And in 151 patients, it showed a 20% greater detection of actionable biomarkers using the liquid hallmark test. The people around me are in many ways my greatest teachers of what is the best way to grow a company. This includes not only the team, but the customers and the investors, working with hospitals and the other healthcare facilities such as clinics. They are certainly very important partners that represent how healthcare is brought to people today. Healthcare isn't just a technical product. It is often a negative experience for anyone encountering a healthcare institution. I think knowing that as a patient, knowing how things are as a doctor, these very much help the process of company building.